from here, take off 1 inch, 1 inch. The flap is 12, but you're going to mark at 11 minus 4 the hip is at 9. Here is the waist, and to 10 the hip. This is where the knee is, and the full length is 41 plus 1.5 seam sewing allowance. Here you curve it. The waist is 40 by 4 is 10 plus ½ inch sewing allowance. And because you want this, I'm going to put elastic on the waist, but if you don't want elastic, you can leave it to your measurement. Because I want elastic on the waist, I'm going to make it same as the measurement of the hip, and the hip is 44 by 4 is 11 plus ½ inch seam sewing allowance. So from here, the hip is 44 by 4 is 11 plus ½ inch seam sewing allowance. So from here, you're going to draw it out. From here, so when you get to the knee, you bring it, make it straight. Because when you fold, here needs to be straight. Cut this out. To cut the back, I placed the front on another plain paper. So the only difference from the front and the back is going to be here. This is the front. To cut out the back, you add 2.5 inch so your bum can have a space. So 2.5 is what you extend at the back. And you slant it in. As you go down to this place, is going to be just 1 inch allowance. So here 1 inch. On the front, after cutting the back, you slant it down and cut off here. Place the front one on my fabric, and I'm going to cut this into 2 and cut this one into 2 for the back. On the front, I forgot to cut out this, so I left it with the fabric. I'm going to sew here, and this one for the back. So there are 2. and then sew here as well. After sewing, you open them up. To add the pockets, I'm just going to measure 1 to 12. So this is where the hip is. You can extend the pocket to 13, so I'll just leave mine as 12. And then here 1 to 9, 1 to 9, so here is the side seam, and to 12. So by this end, I'm going to extend this line here, or I'll curve it so it looks better on the inside. And because it's going to be on the front, so it's going to slant like as it is on the front by 1 inch to the side. Yeah, I think it's bigger. So this is 9, just making sure. Then I'll cut this out and place it on my fabric and cut out into 4. This is the pocket. So this one is 2 and by 2, and this 2. The next thing is I would go ahead and sew this way, and I would sew like this. Pocket is ready. Now I get my trouser. Just so this is the front and this is the back. Open it to the front part. The other one to the front. So this is the waist, there's the pocket as I have pinned. After sewing on the both sides, mark 1 inch, 1 inch. From 1, mark 6. And from here, I'm going to sew down. So now one pocket is ready. I will sew the other pocket, and after sewing the other pocket, I join the center. After sewing and hemming the ties, you just fold in like this, the leg, just about 1 inch in this around. This is my waist. The next thing is to go ahead and overlock the waist. My elastic for the waist, we fold into 2. I don't want it too tight, so it's 36 inches. the waist of my trouser, starting from, so this is the front and here's the back. Fold in. I'm going to stretch the elastic and I sew onto the elastic until I have sewn around the waist. This is the fitting. If you enjoyed watching this video, please let me know in the comments below, and please do not forget to click the like button, share this video, and I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.